show y'all this super cute braided wig that I was sent. Now the company's, I believe their name is Olymeiwig or Olymeiwig. I'll leave all their information in the description box below. Now this is a full Swiss lace triangle knotless braided wig, and it does have baby hair. It is 36 inches long, so I mean the inches are there. This wig was so super cute and super easy to install. Like, you will see in the video that I used spray, adhesive spray, but I didn't even need it. I didn't need it. So this install was super quick, super easy, and yeah. So I'm gonna stop talking, and y'all can just watch how I installed this really cute wig. And like I said, all the information for this wig will be in the description box below. y'all. So here is the finished look. It's giving poetic justice, okay? It's giving a baddie. I mean, I absolutely love it, and it's so long. Let me show y'all. And I will show y'all the back, how it looks in the back. Here's how it looks in the back. Yeah, I ain't got no butt, so don't mind that. Yeah. I love it though. I love it. I've never had braids like this ever because I just be scared it's gonna snatch my hair out. So I've never had braids like this because I have like fine hair and it snatches out easy. So I used to do micro braids when I was, I think in middle school, running track and stuff like that. But it snatched my hair out so bad, so. But this is a great alternative to you ladies who want to wear braids, but first of all, don't want to go through the hours and hours of getting your hair braided, or you know, you just don't want to risk damaging your own hair. But this is you guys. So a little bit about this wig real quick. This can be 110% glueless. I didn't even need the spray. The spray was, as soon as I put the wig on, it snugged my head. It fit like a cap. Like, I didn't need anything. Like, nothing. This is completely glueless. So if you want to, you know, wear it during the day, take it off at night, this is it. And this is why I did it this way, so I could take it off tonight. But yeah, I didn't bleach any knots. I did kind of define my parts with a little bit of concealer just to make it pop a little bit. And other than that, that was it. This was the quickest wig install I have ever done in my life. Why can't all wigs be made glueless like this, to fit absolutely glueless? Because I see it can be done. So anyway, that's all for this portion of my vlog. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. All the wig information will be in the description bar below. I'm just so pleased. I just feel so cute. Oh my gosh.